Alright, Hummer H2 team, I want to talk about some tips in case you need to replace one of your exterior door panels. Get your color code for the vehicle. In this instance, it's a 43U. We're working on a 2005 Hummer H2. Next, you're going to want to take this actual panel off right here. You'll run a trim tool, pop it off. Undo the wiring harness. This is a boot, and then you'll see you have to press down from the top and the side. It can be really tricky. Pop it off. Take these two bolts off right here. This can be very tight. It just takes a lot of pressure for it to move. I use the transmission jack to support the door. There's a two-man job, definitely, because you want someone supporting the door and holding the jack to make sure it doesn't move. And then the final step will be these 6 bolts, 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom. The whole door pops off. This piece is a piece of trim right here. Just make sure, in case that comes with the, or doesn't come with the new door, you have it to use. I use the transmission jack for reinstallation of this door. A couple little quick tips I want to pass on to you guys is that this can be very annoying when you do this wiring harness. It took me probably a half hour, maybe 45 minutes, if not longer, to get that. And you have to press it at the top and the side with a pair of flatheads to get that to go in perfectly. Something else, before you actually close the door, all right, my door actually didn't line up. You want to make sure it lines up, and you may need to do a height adjustment, either lower it, this actual bracket, or lower it or move it upwards. So something to keep in mind when you're installing this door. Good luck.